Hello and welcome. This video is about how to create a bootable Ubuntu server USB flash drive. First, open a web browser. Search for Ubuntu Server ISO. Download the Ubuntu Server ISO file. Please prepare an empty USB flash drive. Please make sure you use an empty USB flash drive. It is because all the data in the USB flash drive will be lost. After you have plugged in the USB flash drive, open a web browser. Look for Rufus. Download Rufus from its website. After you have downloaded the installer, click Open. Click Select button. Look for the Ubuntu Server ISO file you have just downloaded. At the partition scheme box, we choose GPT for this project. Click Start button. Wait for Rufus to finish. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. When it is done, click Close button. Your USB flash drive is ready for installation. Thanks for watching.